I am finally starting to learn that the only cure of laziness is to take action instead of planning every step. I always struggle with self-doubt and I am kind of used to it now. But still, there are days when I feel like everything is meaningless. But not today though. This is a vlog about what I do throughout my day.
I will just do it quickly. I'm not doing it properly. This is the technique I use. Do it as quickly as you can. This is my working desk. There are some clothes. It was Sunday yesterday, so all of my clothes are here. I woke up about 10 minutes ago and I got this impulse to document my day. And I thought that let's make a vlog. So basically, I work from home and I teach English in one-on-one or group classes. And when I'm not doing that, I work on my YouTube video. So that's how I'm spending my whole day. It is 8:30 in the morning and I haven't been able to leave my bed early because of winter, and that's another reason why I'm not able to work out in the morning. So it will take another 5 minutes to make my bed, then I will get fresh, log in and take the first session of the day.
Usually, I have my first session at 9 a.m. in the morning and I try to keep my sessions as productive as possible for the learners. I send them topics and some reading materials in advance so that they can prepare and learn some things too. In this past year, majority of the people who join one-on-one sessions are intermediate level or complete beginners. So I plan my sessions according to their level. And I guess doing it for over a year now has given me so much understanding of this language. I have learned so much and I finally understand the psychology or the main problem faced by the learners. This is one plus point of working from home, that you can move around the area. I am from Siwan, a district that is in Bihar, and we go through this tough winter for almost 2 months where we hardly get to see the sun. And on rare days like this, I don't like to waste this cozy sunlight.
This is the only thing I like about working from home, that I can work from anywhere. It's winter morning, the sun is out and I just wanted to be here. So I took a couple of classes here and I'm done with my morning shift. Now I'll make some breakfast and after I eat something, I have another session and then I will work on a video, I'll write, and then in afternoon I have a few more sessions and I will be done with the day classes. So now let's make some breakfast and see how the day goes.
I don't eat anything in the morning and this was going to be my first meal. Then I got this reminder that I have to take a demo session. So I had to delay my meal now. And I'll share the recipe once I'm done with my session. Honestly, I love meeting new people and that's why demo sessions are one of my favorite classes. And in this particular one, I met this guy from Kolkata who is a fitness trainer. His English is good and he just needs to build his muscle memory and he will become confident very soon.
It feels like my days are passing in a snap because I am waking up late. So I'm done with my morning shift. I have made some breakfast. Usually I don't eat anything in the morning. Even if I wake up at 6 o'clock, I avoid my breakfast. And most of the time, I like to have just frozen oats with some fruits. And guess what? I make my own breakfast. I'm proud of that. Before winter, I was just freezing my oats. But now because of winter, I have to cook. I do it quickly and that's my first meal. After I'm done with eating, I will have to work on a YouTube video. I have to make a thumbnail and schedule a video.
My oats recipe is very simple. It is not very complicated. Before this winter season, I was just freezing my oats overnight. But because of cold, now I cook it for 5 or 10 minutes on a very low flame. And for cooking, I use milk and of course oats. After it is completely boiled or cooked, I add honey to make it sweet, dry fruits for protein, seasonal fruits, mostly banana, apple and some pomegranate. And these days I am adding some chia seeds for the fiber.
Now it's close to 1 p.m. in the afternoon and I'm done with my breakfast. I'm waiting for my lunch and now I have to work on a thumbnail. I was really struggling with my thumbnails earlier. Like even though I've been working on YouTube for almost 2 years now, but I never paid much attention to my thumbnails. Regardless of how good your video is, if your thumbnails are not clickable, then people will not click it. And for that I thought, let's learn to make thumbnails. And to be honest, working on so many things at once is really overwhelming. I do everything by myself. I have to write ideas, scripting, then come up with thumbnail ideas, video title ideas, and all my classes during the day. And on top of that, video editing, which takes a lot of time. And these days I'm going outdoors to record my videos, and for that I have to plan in advance. So I wasn't able to maintain everything at once. So I decided that let's take subscription of Canva. And on Canva, you can explore a lot of things. There are multiple options, you can just customize it according to your need. So that's what I'm doing these days. I go on Canva, I find some prompts, and which I like, I start working on that. So I have already scheduled the video. Now all I have to do is make a thumbnail, write the title, and I have to make an announcement also of my group classes. So if you are watching this, then again I'm repeating, I provide English classes in individual or group classes. I already have 2 group batches, one for complete beginners, which is limited seats, only 10 people. So first I teach there, then we discuss, and then there is another batch at 9 p.m. which is for intermediate level learners. There I'm not teaching anything, we are just discussing every day. So if you want to improve your spoken English, then join this community and let's learn together. And if you have any other questions regarding my classes, then you can reach out to me on my number. Now let's work and see how it goes.
It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to schedule a video, but the real challenge is brainstorming for the title ideas and of course thumbnail ideas. I'm trying to maintain a consistency with the style of my thumbnail because see, I don't consider myself a very creative person. I always struggle with that. But I guess if you do the same action multiple times, quantity speaks for itself. So I guess one day I might figure out my own style.
It's 4:30 in the evening, and usually I go to run in the evening. I just had a couple of more sessions, but because of some functions going on in that school ground, it is closed for normal civilians like me. So I won't be able to run for another 9 days. I don't like running on the road. First of all, it is not safe. Second, it is quite polluted and it's really cold. So that is another lame excuse I have. And honestly, if I'm not working out and if I'm not doing any kind of physical workout, it gets into my head. I start doubting myself way more than I normally do. I think past 4 or 5 months have been really difficult for me because I know that the kind of content I create doesn't have much audience. But then there is this tendency of me comparing myself with others. And I have been trying to work on that for a long time, but I just can't help it. So I have been trying to control my doom scrolling and not comparing myself with others. I was having similar kind of thoughts right after my session, and that was the reason why I wasn't able to record like the time stamp which I was planning to record. So I thought, you know what, the only cure to laziness or this negative thought is taking action, and this is my action. I thought let's record a video and continue what I was doing since morning. And after I'm done with this, I'll show you guys what I do in the night. I have 4 more classes, 2 individual sessions and then 2 group sessions. 9 p.m. is on a hold for a week, so 3 classes. This could be the last documentation of the day, but if I feel like recording, then I'll definitely put another video in the night also.
Took a couple of classes in the evening and one of them was a group session. And because 2 of my clients couldn't join the session, so I used that time to write a short video. I like working on short videos, but they take a lot of time because I want to replicate the kind of media I consume and they are, top quality. But when you are a beginner, it's very difficult to replicate the same thing. So I want to try a lot of new style, especially the character types of videos. And let's see if I'm able to come up with some new ideas.
Well, I'm finally feeling a lot better and it's 10:30 p.m. A couple of my classes got cancelled because they were not available. So I had some free time and I spent that writing a script, a short video script, which hopefully I will be able to shoot tonight. So I'm done with the script, and I'm feeling confident that I'll be able to shoot at least half of the video right now because this is going to be character centric, 2 characters talking to each other. And this is a series I want to continue. I want to document my days regularly, and if I'm uploading my videos regularly, then this will give me another reason to be consistent on YouTube. Like I am consistent right now. I'm uploading at least 1 video every 2nd day, and if I want to get that number close to 1 video every day,
I don't think it's going to be possible, but I can try. And if I'm uploading this video tomorrow, then you will see regular videos like this, and I'll talk about my thoughts and what I'm doing regularly. And this will be like an accountability partner. I will be writing regularly, I will be making videos, which I'm doing right now. So this will keep me away from all those negative thoughts, and hopefully I can do better in 2026. So wish me luck with that. If you have watched this far, please leave a few comments. Let me know how are you feeling, how was 2025 for you, and what are your plans for 2026.